This is a demo for my app, AI Explainer. It was mostly inspired by my childhood because as a child, I'd ask so many questions about the stars and all that, but I'd never get proper answers. And besides that, I'd also make things like toy cars, uh, mini buildings, and all that. And it was fun. But then I went to boarding school, and I became less curious and just focused on school. But while in boarding school, I was living in a different city, and I couldn't communicate with the people there, so I had to spend less time doing actual things and more time reading, studying. But then I got to learn about how is it made TV show, and I was really curious. And every time I'd go and watch it because it inspired my curiosity to make things. And so like how is it made, and also the Feynman biography where he was working with his father and his father did explain things to him were the main inspiration behind this app to make sure like I could have something that can explain things in a way that I can easily understand and can easily try to replicate whenever possible. So yeah, that's like the main inspiration for this app. Regarding the front end, it's an Electron app that can run both on the desktop and on the web, especially Linux and Windows. They can run on the web, while macOS it's able to create a desktop app. This was because the development was mostly done on Mac Mini. In this video, like there's a slight issue with the front end code. There's like a bug because like when I enter a query ID is generated, but then there's the local storage which also contains the query with its query ID. So like there's been like a bit of conflict, and I've been unable to resolve it. But the back end is really really great, and it works really fantastic because most of the heavy work was done on the back end to ensure like it works smoothly without any issues related to like lagging or speed. And so thanks to DSPy for ensuring that my app can work perfectly, especially in the generating of structured outputs. And yeah, so I hope maybe one day I can be able to build a local LLM app that anyone around the world, especially in Africa, can use for their educational purposes.